Okay, we'll start to install the heads. Gasket's all in, it's all sitting there nice as it should be. Let's go and get the head. Be careful with this, let's not make it too bad. Gently round. Sit it in there on its locators, hopefully. There's one, that's two, that's the locators done. That's in. Now we'll get the bolts. We'll do one side. I want to show you doing the other side because it's exactly the same. So we'll do this side. And what you've got is you've got all these long ones this side, short ones on the front. You've got two, should be two longer ones. Let's have a look. Two longer ones or two shorter ones? Two shorter ones, that's it. The two shorter ones go in the ends here, and all the rest are the same. So before we go putting all these in, a little bit of oil on them, make them sit in there better. There is Loctite on there, bit of Loctite they've come with, they're brand new. Just put a little bit of oil on there, on the end, there we go. Yeah, bit of a laborious job, got to be done though. Beautiful. What am I doing? Boy. Right, now. There we go. That's them. All the short ones go at the front. Same again. Oh, drop that one. I'm going to go in a second. That's what you get for trying to do too many. And on that. Nice and new, as I said. As you can see, these heads are blue, they've been cleaned. I think that's in a previous video. If not, I'll put the pictures. I'll try and put some pictures at the end. I've now found the very first video that I started with. I was lost, some of my stuff wouldn't record, and I lost quite a bit of footage actually. I probably lost about hour and a half of footage. Not good. Right, a little bit of oil on them. I'm going to pull them down. There is a sequence to these, which we will do. Let's put them down, all of them. Put down till they bite. wrong socket, probably. Get the right socket. Be back in a second. Somebody at the door. I'll just come away in a second. Okay, somebody come in then. Right, get the right socket. Let's put this up. Let's get this done. Put it down. Then we'll start our sequence. All down, getting ready to rock and roll. Put them down a bit. Ooh, that's a bit tight. I've cleaned all the threads out as well. They're all up to be cleaned. You might see that in another video if it's not one that I've lost. But yeah, I've cleaned all of them out. I've cleaned everyone out. That dirt and gunk that was in them. Otherwise you're going to get nowhere with it. This. And we're going to go in the sequence 1 to 17 in the right sequence 3 times, starting with 25, then 45, last one being 65, and the same sequence, so it pulls it all down nice and even, and it'll be exactly the same for the other head when I turn it over. Now I'll do that one off camera, as I said, and then we can do the valve adjustment after that. Do the valve adjustment before we do anything else. So I can see it on the front there and see it on the on the chain, on the timing chain. We can run it through. I'll show you what I mean by that as we're running through. That's enough for that. Okay, let's start with the torque. There we go. This is set at 25. So we'll go number 1. This one. That's 25. Sorry, I'm just looking at my sequence. Put it up there. Glasses on might make it a bit easier. That's number 1. And number 2. Number 3. Sorry, wrong one. Make sure. Number 3, number 4, number 5, 5. Oh, number 6. Number 6. 7. Number 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. And 17. And then 45. 40. 5. Back at number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. 10. Number 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. Okay, now to 65. 65, 70, generally 65. So we'll start with number 1. Number 1. One continuous pull if we can. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Sorry about that, somebody come in, start again. 6. Number 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 14, 15, 16, and 17. And that's that one done. So we'll do the other one off camera, and then we'll come back on, and then we'll do the valve adjustment.